Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making face masks. As you all know, we're dealing with COVID-19 right now and there is a shortage in face masks. So this is just a simple, easy project you can do at home. I taught myself how to sew literally from YouTube, and you can just make them really cute. Donate them to your local hospitals or just make them for friends and family. It's super easy, simple, and there's so many different ways you can make them. So we're just gonna hop on into the way I made these. So here are the patterns that I will be using. This is for the outside of the mask and the smaller one is for the inside pattern. So you're just going to cut out 2 of those on your fabric. So here's the inside, 2 of those, and the outside, 2 of those. So the next thing you want to do is just place your patterns right side facing each other. That's very important. Make sure they're facing each other, and you're just going to sew along the curved edge. And you're going to do the same thing for the inside pattern. You're going to face them right side facing each other, and you're just going to sew along that curved edge. Alright, so next you're going to take your inside fabric and just turn it the right side, and you're going to have both the inside fabric and the outside fabric right sides facing each other. I'm so horrible at explaining stuff. I'm a visual learner, so hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. You're just going to face both of the fabrics right sides facing each other. Once you do that, you just want to take some pins or some clips, and you're just going to hold that in place. Alright, so next you're going to sew along the top part of the mask. Only the top part. You do not want to close your mask off. Just sew all along the edge of the top part of the mask. And you're going to do the same thing for the bottom part of the mask. You're just going to sew along the whole bottom part of the mask, and it should leave you with 2 openings on the side. So this is what we're looking like. The top and bottom are sewn together, and now you can just turn your mask inside out. If you want to do a filter, I didn't do filters on some of these, but you can leave a pocket open for a removable filter. There's so many other YouTube videos that will show you how to do that, but on this one it will not have a filter, just so you know. So next you're just going to take the outsides of your fabric and just cut off all those extra strings, and then you're going to take those flaps and you just want to fold it in just a little bit, and then you're going to press that with your iron just so it can hold it in place, and then fold it again and press that again with your iron. And once you do that, you're going to sew right along the edge of that flap, creating a hole for you to put your elastic through. And you're just going to do that on the other side as well. Also, I do backstitch just to make sure everything is nice and in place. And this is what you have so far. Alright, so for the elastic, I'm just going to take this safety pin and push it through the inside of that flap to the other side. And then I'm going to measure off how big I need the elastic to be. And I'm just going to sew those together with a zigzag stitch. And y'all, there are other ways that you can do your elastic. You can put it strictly on the edges of the mask and just sew that down. There's also a shortage in elastic, so there's other material that you can use. So definitely look into other videos and just see other methods that you can do as well. But I'm just going to cut the excess pieces off, and I'm going to turn the elastic to where it's hidden on the inside of the mask. And I'm just doing that on the other side as well. And here is the final product. It's nice and stretchy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out more videos, like, comment, subscribe, and y'all make y'all some masks and donate them to these hospitals. They need it, they need it, they need it. And y'all stay safe during this time, and I will see y'all next time.